In this tutorial, we will cover the use of function chips. Using this data file, we've attached an actor, verb, object, and we've also attached a result success and result completion property to our XAPI palette. Let's look at our previewed output. All of our statements are valid, but only some of our statements contain result data. This is because some statements simply did not have result data in the data file. To have the most expressive statements, we would like to have result data in every statement. We could return to our CSV and pad blank entries with a sensible default like false, or we could use our function chips. Let's return to step 2. Scroll to the bottom to the Advanced tab and expand it. You'll see 4 functions. In this case, we would like to use the default function. The default function sets a default text for a column in the case there is no entry. Drag this chip up to the result success. In the dialog that pops up, let's enter some default text, false in this case, and save it. Click on the chip to view functions and edit them. Let's do the same for our completion. Now that we've applied these functions to our 2 chips, let's look at our preview data. We'll now see rows that did not have the result now have the default data, and they are still valid statements. For more information, please refer to our documentation or other video tutorials.